Public health never takes a day off, and neither do we. We work tirelessly to improve the health of populations here in Tampa and around the world. We work around the globe. Challenges are everywhere, and so are we, finding solutions. Our faculty are eradicating onchocerciasis, or river blindness, in Uganda and Burkina Faso, and our students are examining water sustainability in the Dominican Republic. They brave 104-degree heat to search for snails carrying the schistosomiasis parasite in Senegal. Our enterprising students are developing apps to fight Zika in Panama, and teams of faculty, students, and alumni are using GIS and drones to track infectious diseases like malaria in Cambodia. Students are empowering rural and indigenous women to fight intimate partner violence in Peru. And by partnering with the Peace Corps, students are able to practice their passion before and after their volunteer service. The College of Public Health has study abroad programs to Cuba, India, Japan, London, and Panama, plus established research opportunities in Uganda, Belize, Ecuador, and Panama. Over 100 students annually travel to more than 20 countries to complete their practicum, research, or study abroad. By experiencing public health firsthand, our students help find solutions to pressing health issues and understand the human, financial, and other resources needed to improve conditions. As you can see, challenges are everywhere, and so is the USF College of Public Health. If you have a passion for public health, then you can practice it here. We invite you to join us and help improve the public's health.